Welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show.
The first ingredient is going to be your vinegar. And I'll put my finger where I want to pour to. I've removed the little spritzing tip out of the top so that I can pour faster. So red wine vinegar up to my finger. Water. Up to the next mark. I got this from my mom. I really like it. Olive oil goes up to the upper mark. Put my thumb there. Worcestershire sauce. Go easy on this. This is like lemon juice. This is strong. I'm using part of a tablespoonful. Just like everything, you can always add more later if you want. Lemon juice. Same thing, small amount. You can use oregano, basil, or you can just use Italian seasoning. This is Italian seasoning. I just tap it like that so that it loosens it up. And I'm going to put some in my palm. You don't have to really worry about putting in too much of that because that's not real strong. It's not like salt. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Once again, all the measurements are at my website, jamestdds.blogspot.com. While I'm thinking of it, hit the subscribe button right now and the bell so when I drop a new video, you'll get notified. Now that I have the ingredients in the Italian salad dressing, I put the lid on, make sure it's on, put my finger on it, shake it, still can leak a little bit. That's our show for today. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and click the bell so when we drop a new video, you'll get notified. Goodbye for now.